How to share screen on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on any server you want to share screen on, which is on the left side. After that, you will find the voice channel. Simply click on voice channel and join the voice channel. After you have joined the voice channel, you will find arrow-like option, which is share your screen. Click on it. Then you'll find three options: Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. If you want entire screen, click on entire screen and press on share at the bottom. After that, your screen will be shared. And this is how to share screen on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.